Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to do this fall inspired makeup look. And yeah, so let's begin. Woo. So we're starting off with a face that's already moisturized and has no makeup on. And I'm just pulling all my hair back. And now I put in some lenses, but I cry every time I put them in. Anyway, now I'm priming with the primer I got from Etude House. It's a Hydra based one, and I'm just using my hand to mix it in. And now I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a few pats on the face. Okay, now I'm gonna put some concealer on under my eye. I'm just making a triangle with this Face Shop concealer because I have a lot of eye bags. And now I'm just blending them in with my finger. And now I'm going in with the cushion from Etude House. Oh, by the way, all products are all listed in the description box. So yeah, don't worry if you miss it. It's all there. I'm putting it all over my face. And under my nose too, because I don't want to have a different colored nose. And I'm putting in concealer from Skinfood on my eyebrow. Because I don't want to have black eyebrow. Because I'm going to put on wig. And I want the color to match my wig. Okay, now I'm going in with the Violet Floss palette using the brown color and this tiny brush from Sephora. I'm just drawing two lines right on the crease of my eyelid, right there. And I'm blending it in with this brush I got from Sephora. I got this as a gift from Charlie. Thank you, Charlie. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend them in. And now I'm gonna go in with the nude color with the same blending brush that I used just now on the bottom part all over my lid. Now I'm going with the NYX Ultimate palette with this shade that is like orangish red on both eyelids with a flat brush from e.l.f. Now I'm going in with the red one with this tiny brush from earlier, and I'm just throwing it right underneath where the brown is, and I'm making like a wing, you know, with the, like as if I'm drawing eyeliner but with the eyeshadow instead. Now I'm blending in with this MAC brush. Also, I don't know why, but this brush is kinda itchy. I think it's because it's real something here. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not an expert. Now I'm going in with the Violet palette again, using the maroon color and the flat brush from earlier, just on the outer corner. But now I'm going back in with a tinier brush and I'm drawing a line underneath my eyes. Like this. Okay, now I'm going in with Huda Beauty palette with this like rusty orange color. I don't know if I said it right, but I'm just using the flat brush and putting it all over my lid. And now I'm going in with the maroon one, and I'm using my finger for this. I'm just putting this on the outer corner of my lid. Yay! Also, this palette is so shimmery. I love it. Now I'm going in with the flat one and just mix it in a bit. Now I'm using a brown eyeliner and I'm just drawing eyeliner. Duh. I don't know why I said duh. I'm sorry. I'm just drawing eyeliner on my lid. Okay. So I'm just drawing it in and I'm making a really small wing. That's it. Now I'm using these lashes from Daiso. And you can't tell, but I put them on already. You'll see now when I put on this Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced that my lashes and fake lashes are merging in. See? It's so thick. I'll put it on the bottom one too, okay guys? Don't forget. Now I'm going back with the same brown shade and the same tiny brush from earlier, and I'm just drawing eyebrow for myself. Yes, I draw a thin eyebrow and a flat one. I don't like sharp ones. I like it like this. Now I'm gonna contour with this stick I got from Etude House. Keep in mind that everyone's face are contoured differently, and this is just how I contour mine. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend all of them in with a blending brush. And I'm gonna go in and highlight right on top where the contour was for my cheek and my nose, and blending it in with my hand. Also, I didn't blend in all the contour properly because I'm just doing this for a picture. So yeah, So now I'm gonna go with this nude color from the Too Faced chocolate palette with a flat brush from Sephora and cover my mole with it. And this is the Museum of Ice Cream palette. It's so cute. I'm using the peach color right here with a wet and wild brush to put some blush on my cheek. Well, yeah, I'm just putting it on both my cheek, my nose, and my chin. So after I put all my blush, I mix them with my finger. And now I'm using a Sephora flat brush to put on the highlighter. It's like a 3, the number 3, which is like on my eyebrow underneath it and on my cheekbone, and then on my nose bridge and on the top of my lip and my chin. And now I'm using the Fresh Sugar lip balm just to moisturize my lip, and the 3CE liquid lipstick. And I'm putting it all over my lip. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put in a lip gloss from Revlon just in the middle of my lip, and we're done. But my hair is so bad, so I'm just gonna put on a wig. Yay! Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.